differences. Can you help me? Okay, much better. Hi, we're Lindy. And we're Kiki. Sorry. And we're going to show you what we're different. Carry on. Okay, so I like Justin Bieber. And I hate JoJo Siwa. What? This is not different. Oh, whatever. Anyway. Yeah, we both love Justin Bieber and hate JoJo Siwa. But anyway, keep going. I love to go toilet. And I hate to go toilet. That's no difference. I love Teen Titans. And I hate Teen Titans. You were the one watching that on my phone. Well, actually, I was the one watching that on my phone. Wasn't I? Anyway. Goodbye. Let's just walk together. What? Hold it right there. That was not a show that was good. All this Justin Bieber, JoJo Siwa, all this. You're not even listing any details. Oh. I will do it. Don't listen. Do not trust this. I'm not gonna even say it. Yeah. What's the baby think? Baby's okay. Ow! Good, the baby's okay. Yo, why are you licking her in the butt? Because she looks cute when I lick her in the butt. Anyway. Let's just go to the leopard. Ding dong. Oh, they're here. I would invite another play date for the leopards. Now they can see your baby. And I'm going to go to sleep with Patches when she gets here. Sleeping date! Ow. Ow, you knocked me off. Oh, go to sleep. Oh, you in a nightmare? Oh. What is wrong with you? I'm going to play with baby Gilda. And I'm going to play with Scrappy. And you like to burp all the time. No, I don't. That's rubbish. Yeah, you do. No, I do not. Tell you what. I'm not even going to play with you here. Because you've been so rubbish. Fine with me. I'll just go play with them. This is all your fault. What was that all about? She's been so mean to me all day. Why are you letting her do that? You have differences. Just like you and Lindy. Huh? Nothing. Ah. Is your life ruined? No. I just need to go sleep. Okay. So, like, I love to play. And it's Scrappy. I love to end this show.